Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you so much for your time today. Let's talk about the human before the nominee. I come from a small town in India. I had to work my way up through college by doing real estate and retail sales job. I love adventure sports, and I was awarded an All India level best cadet by NCC Indian Army. Most recently, I helped an NGO craft a strategy to fight off large retail chains in South America. On the professional front, I've been extremely fortunate to have a great set of mentors who have logically helped me move from being a developer to the senior account manager. I'm extremely fortunate to have a strong team who supports me on the ground today. I've executed on several consulting engagements for various Fortune 500 companies. At Cognizant, we were awarded TCR Account of the Year and the most profitable portfolio at GAPS this year. We've also won the GPOI for Hartford Integration Engagement. I've had many adventures so far, the most important being the one of a change agent. We have several long-running engagements like the AVM deals and the QA engagements within MassMutual. I'll give you an example. We had an AVM engagement in retirement services, which had about 75 FTEs, 2 or 3 different KPIs to measure the maturity, and extremely inefficient set of processes and governance. I worked with the team to cut the team size down to about 45 FTEs, set up strong processes and SLAs, and introduce 26 KPIs to measure the maturity of the engagement. With this optimization, we were able to pass on about 40% of the monthly revenue back to customer. There's extremely high amount of buzz and excitement within MassMutual for this particular engagement. Some people within our organization were not happy because we cannibalized our own revenue, but it was all worth it. Today I'm working on setting up an MSM organization for entire QA so that we can own up the entire QA organization. I also take a very process and data-centric approach to anything within the account. I've set up processes to ensure we get paid on time. We're able to proactively demonstrate the quality of deliverables and the quality of associates we bring to the table. I've had an opportunity to also work on consolidation and ensuring that we are the single largest development partner within MassMutual and the sole provider within retirement services. This was worth about $21 million ACV. I enjoy strong relationship with customers, right from directors all the way to VPs, and I enjoy a strong relationship with the sourcing organization as well. I have received excellent feedback from survey conducted by the sourcing office from all of MM senior leadership. I take a full spectrum solution approach to anything that we do on the account. In addition to just the production support, we have now set up problem management and vulnerability management COEs within the account. We have set up DR, we have started owning up the disaster recovery and BCP function along with softwares and platforms that we bring to the table, and we have of course set up a DA COE. As you can imagine, with the intention to help the customer doing several transformations that I talked about, we started gaining tremendous amount of momentum within the portfolio. We grew by about 40% in 2015 to end the year at 587 FTEs. As you can see, we had about 50% profitability for the $39 million of revenue that I achieved or managed. This was, of course, overachieving both the targets on profitability as well as revenue. I also helped take the retirement services story to the entire large enterprise, because you know what? The same old MassMutual manager who was managing retirement services production support had now been promoted to manage the entire production support across the enterprise. So I worked with her, talked about rebadging strategies, talked about our solution, how we will continue to deliver the best of services to MM, and negotiated the entire process on the ITO deal. This is about $115 million over a period of 5 years of incremental revenue. We also signed an MOU for BPO services worth $120 million. So where do we go from now? First and foremost, we need to continue to defend the turf. I will ensure that I help with BPO due diligence, pricing strategy, and execution of that engagement. I will go on and manage revenue and the entire portfolio of about $66 million in revenue and 1,250 FTEs in about Q1 2017. I'll continue to support and govern retirement services platform modernization program, which is going to migrate the biggest retirement services block next year. I'm extremely committed to helping Cognizant grow the MassMutual account to $100 million plus in the next 2 years. I will continue to lead international expansion, MetLife agencies integration, and owning the RS business operations support pursuits. I'm very willing to help the organization create a go-to-market strategy with partners for this modernization, record-keeping platforms and retirement services, and help with similarly large pursuits like the ITO BPO that we won at the account, leveraging the experiences, best practices, and pitfalls we have gone through. I sincerely thank you for your time today and look forward to your feedback and questions. Thank you.